Hi, kids. It's Mr. Downs here. I have missed you so much this week. Sorry, I have not been able to be there this week, but I wanted to make sure I shared my favorite children's book with you, The Gym Teacher from the Black Lagoon. And what a bunch of great outfits our teachers are wearing today. So let's share this. Hopefully, you'll understand why I became a gym teacher. And you know what? I think you'll find out the moral of the story. Don't always judge a book by its cover. All right, should we get started? Here we go.
The Gym Teacher from the Black Lagoon, written by Mike Taylor, illustrated by Jared Lee.
There's a new teacher coming to town. His name is Mr. Downs. Kids say he's big, he's mean, and he's rarely seen. They say he's very hairy and his knuckles touch the ground. They say he call him Coach Con because he rarely speaks words. And when he does, he just blows his whistle a lot. They say he has a little office full of balls, clubs, and tires. He first makes you run a lap around the gym, then a lap around the school, and then a lap around the world. What a mean gym teacher. He says you have to lift up this pickup truck, and that's, I guess, why they call it a pickup. He makes you do push-ups, pull-ups, chin-ups, sit-ups, but most of all, he makes kids do throw-ups. Oh, gross. I don't do those kind of things in the gym, do I? When he has you climb the rope, he doesn't, if you don't reach the top, he sets the bottom on fire. He says there's still kids up in the ceiling at Park Terrace Elementary. If you don't pass his fitness test, he donates your body to science. And if you don't pass his flexibility test, he puts you between two boards. Oh my gosh. But there are games too. He makes you play dodgeball with his truck, my big Ram. Oh my goodness. Look at the scary things Mr. Downs does in his gym class. When you're doing the parachute, he makes you hold on to the tight to the side and jump out of an airplane. He makes you walk the beam and jump over a real horse. Oh my gosh. He makes you do handstands, headstands, nose stands, and sometimes he makes you do Mr. J's music stands, cartwheels in a real cart. But the worst thing is he makes you do square dancing with others. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, here comes Mr. Downs. He's coming into school. Hey guys, my name's Mr. Downs. I'm your new gym teacher. I can't believe it. He's just a regular guy. We're playing basketball. We do all sorts of fun things. And I score 2 baskets. I guess gym's not going to be too bad. I love gym. So I guess the moral of the story is don't judge a book by the cover, and also always be positive. Have a great day and have a great week.